Coleus has long been considered a shade plant, but the best leaf color is achieved with morning sun and some degree of afternoon shade. Many varieties do well in both shade and part sun. Some can take quite a bit of sun as long as they are not allowed to dry out. Avoid overly damp soils which can cause leaf planted outdoors in and encourage Coleus quickly grows to full plant Coleus after danger of large frost has passed when assorted Coleus temperatures have that warmed sufficiently and evening temperatures like appearance can look degrees Fahrenheit. Luscious in feed plants regularly with a water soluble fertilizer vividly colored foliage also adds a decorative touch to maintain plant boxes, pinch back every few weeks to prevent hanging flower formation. Is toxic pinch just above a set of leaves or branching junction for the best appearance. Don't leave a stub. Some gardeners leave the small flowers, but it's best to pinch them off to direct more energy into a stem and foliage growth. Coleus left to flower may lose vigor as the plant puts energy into seed production. Coleus do well in pots and containers and planters as long as they are planted in free draining potting soil, fertilized regularly, and given the right amount of sun. Avoid windy locations because Coleus can be prone or breakage. Feed regularly during the growing season. Coleus can be included in hanging baskets too. Some of the trailing selections will flow nicely over the edge. Compact bushy types can be used in the center of the basket. Keep in mind the coleus are thirsty and a hanging basket can dry out quickly. Choose a self-water basket for best results. You can multiply your plants as much as you want. Color the leaf patterns of plants started from cuttings will be the same as that of the original plant. The 2 to 4 inch tips you prune off can be used to start new plants. Nip off the lower leaves of these cuttings and cut the base of the stem with a clean slant. Set the cutting at least an inch deep in a growing medium like soil, sand, peat moss, vermiculite, or even water. Keep the medium moist or the water fresh, but add no fertilizer. Roots will begin to develop in a few days. In summer, these cuttings can be rooted right in a shaded garden bed. After 2 or 3 weeks, take hold of a cutting and pull it upward gently. If it resists your pull, the young plant has a good root system and ready for transplanting. They need to be kept moist, especially newly planted coleus. Container plants also require more frequent watering than those grown in the garden. Although it's not required, the plants can be given a boost of half a strength liquid fertilizer during their active growth in spring and summer. Coleus grown well in acidic soil. The soil pH is 6 to 7. So you can give them mustard cake fertilizer or Epsom salt is the best fertilizer. You can give them banana peel fertilizer too. Guys, how to make mustard cake fertilizer is a complete video available on my channel. So and this is both English and Hindi. So you can go through or take more information. Thank you, friends.